It's not just a mum. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mums, plus the mother. Mums, similar to daisies, are a welcome addition to any garden. Excellent for cuts, arrangements, long-lasting blooms, a mounding growth pattern, provides a sea of color wherever they appear. Your mums appreciate your attention, often needing to be reshaped and spent blooms removed for consistent color in your garden. They do quite well in pots or quite content on a sunny border. They are perennial, however, they may go dormant over the winter, but surely they return, first with new foliage, to be followed shortly with a barrage of color. Mums attract bees, too. Many gardeners may complain that they require a lot of deadheading. They're certainly worth the few minutes when needed. They come in a variety of colors, all spectacular, of course. Mums pair well with most summer annuals. Their stately demeanor will add texture and color all spring and summer. A wonderful companion for our impatiens that are sprouting all around our front display. As for the unexpected bounty we received today with our mums' little children, we will separate them into their own little spots, on the south side of the house, where there's full sun much of the day. They do well enough in partial sun, and they can even do well inside your home. They're versatile, dependable, and elegant. Mums are a must-have for any garden setting.